Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on a Tuesday evening, November the 28th. And whew, what a day today was. I feel like I ran 100 miles just to end up with a negative 174 on the day. Yeah, we made a few dollars here and there, but we also lost a few bucks. The great news is we made $111 on the PA account, so that's a big win. I was not planning on trading the PA account, and I didn't until right at the end of the day. I'll talk more about that here in a minute. Reminder about this Apex sale. By the time this video goes live, there will be less than 7 hours left in that sale. So if you are needing evaluation accounts, I would highly suggest that you purchase them now. Please use my code or use somebody's code to take advantage of that discount. Apex has told us that this 90% off sale will go away for a while. Now we can all speculate what a while means. That could be several months. It could be a month or two. I don't know. All I know is that I'm going to be adding a few more accounts to just give me a cushion in case I lose some more. Well, I will lose some more. Let's just put it that way. But in any case, there's not that much to show about today. It was just a rough day. I felt like we had a lot of these little 15 point, 20 point reversals, pullbacks. Just the market just didn't really, I don't know, it was just a tough day for me. Actually the best trade of the day was this trade here. This was a $600 winner around 11 o'clock, shortly before 11 o'clock. I entered this on this consolidation area, and we just had this nice move down, and I just pushed out my fourth stop. I was actually trading my 4 contract setup that ATM that I use with 2 targets at 7 ticks, 1 target at 10 ticks, and then a runner at 60. And so once we go to the second, or we reach the first 2 targets, so it goes to the second target, I should say, we move to a 2-tick stop. So I'm in profit all the way. The bad thing with that setup, that 4 contract, is it's 4 contracts, and my stop loss means if it goes against me 100%, I lose $400 basically. So it's a big loss if I do lose. And with GAT set at 500, if I have a $500 loser, then it stops me from trading for that day. It is a bit of a risky trade, a risky setup, but if you can get those first 7 ticks and 10 ticks, you're golden. And usually I can, but boy, today I really couldn't. I really struggled. I was gone over the noon hour running some errands and stuff, and there would have been some really nice setups. If you're new to my channel, I really like to trade off of this 21 EMA. So like a lot of these trades are, a couple of these are a little bit off this 21 EMA, but I really like to be trading off the EMA, either long or short, doesn't really matter, depends on what market trend is doing. It's just my style, it's what works for me. There would have been some nice setups here. I obviously wasn't here to take those. But then right after lunch, like 1:15 or so, caught a nice little winner here, caught a nice little winner here, and then we kind of went on a red streak, and these red streaks cost me. Also, if you're new, a green arrow pointing up means I went long on the trade. The horizontal arrow means that's where my entry point was. Green means I took profit at that point. Red means I got stopped out at that point. Red arrow down means I took a short. So here was a trade where it went completely against me. Entered here and it went completely against me, stopped me out. So big loss. After this area here, I actually sized down to my 3 contract, and that worked a little bit better towards the end of the day. This is, I keep talking to myself about this. This is why I do these videos, so I have something to look back and look over my day and kind of hear myself reviewing. But gosh, I chased. I hate when I do this. We had these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks on a downtrend, and I just chased here at the bottom, caught a little bit, but got stopped out for a loss again, a net loss on the trade. So that's tough when you do that. This was a really nice trade. I think this was about a $300 or $400 winner. Which basically revived these 3 accounts here. These top 6 accounts I have to get past before the end of the week. Maybe it's the top three have to be passed before the end of the week, and the next 7 have to be passed by Wednesday of next week. So I've got my work cut out, which is why I only traded these 9 or 10 accounts to try to get these either below them or pass them, because they will be resetting. We've made a lot of progress here, gave back some on these top 3, which stinks, but we didn't really lose a whole lot of ground on those. I'm going to get pretty aggressive with that towards the next couple of days here. But continuing on the trading front, I actually took a lot of good trades here in the end of the day. I wasn't able to really get anything going. I basically got my first or second target, and that was pretty much it. Like I said at the outset here, I was not planning to trade this PA account, but here at the end of the day, right around the 4 o'clock hour, I saw this price action start slowing down. We as you can see, we had a lot of these 20-point candles, and just I don't know, this is tough for me. It was just a tough day for me. But we had this price action slowing down, and I felt very, very strongly, looking at how the price action was reacting, that we were going up. And so I was able to jump in here and caught $111 on this trade right here at the end of the day. That is the yellow circle, was the PA trade. So that honestly, that really made my day, because I was not intending on trading the PA account. I wasn't even planning to trade the PA account when I took this trade, and then all at once I'm like, oh, I gotta jump in here. This is almost a sure thing. I'm glad I did. Really, really glad I did. So got that account close to 49,500, so need to get that back up. I don't really care how long it takes me to get this all the way to a payout. If it takes me a month or 2, so be it. I was hoping to get there by the December 15th deadline. I don't know if I will or not, but hey, we're going to try. So as far as these accounts, I have set up a 6 contract come on here, a 6 contract ATM strategy. And I am probably going to trade this once I get into a $200 profit area. I was there with these accounts today, but it was just a rough day and I didn't want to go here. But basically what this is, I've got 3 contracts at 7 ticks. So when I hit that, we obviously are going for the next target, which is 2 contracts at 12 ticks. But once we get to 8 ticks, we move our this stop to a 2-tick positive. So if I get stopped out here, I have 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 and 2 is 4. I've got 25 ticks. That's $125 less the commissions, which would be $15. So about $110 in profit after I hit these first 5 contracts, and then I have my runner. If I get stopped out, I'm still in profit by like 18, 20 bucks, but I have an opportunity to have a really big trade. So I'm going to be trading this once I get some profit going on these accounts throughout the next couple of days, just to try to get these accounts passed or blown. And I might even change my GAT strategy to allow me to have more of a loss than 500 on these accounts. So that's kind of my plan for the next couple of days, because we really, really need to get going somewhere on these accounts and get them across the finish line. And it would be awesome to have several PAs, so I could go from one to the other and get a little bit more trading time on PAs rather than evals. I don't know, the heart rate's just a little bit different on a PA than it is on an eval. When I started trading 6 months ago, it was, I felt that on just evals. Now evals are a lot easier from a mental perspective. So, but anyway, that's pretty much a wrap for today. Hope you guys had a great day, and we will catch you guys tomorrow. Once again, don't forget that sale. If you're needing some evals, get them now. All right, good luck. Catch you on the flip side.